Hello, my friends. This is Lindsay back with another work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. Please leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And today's job lead is one of those. I know a lot of people are looking for part-time work, nighttime, after hours things. You already have a full-time 8 to 5 job and you're just looking for extra money. So that is why I am sharing this one. Magellan Health is hiring a shared services coordinator for after hours part-time. Unfortunately, they do not list the actual hours that you work, but it does say after hours, so it has got to be after the standard 8 to 5, and this is for my United States folks only. They do not list any state restrictions in the job posting. Now it says that this position they're hiring for is going to be responsible for supporting employer, commercial, or health plan businesses with coordinations of services. So you'll be responsible for locating available providers, facilities, and scheduling appointments for clients related to EAP or health plan services. Outpatient managed care appointments for higher level of care. You'll also complete requests for organization and employee services, including scheduling worksite and virtual trainings, customer training, critical incident response, single care agreements, crisis calls, webinars, health fairs, and other related supported services. So this does kind of sound like it may be a call center type thing, although it does mention in the job posting something along the lines of web inquiries too, so I'm not exactly sure. But if you scroll down, it goes through kind of each piece of the job. For the appointment search, you'll locate and coordinate all the member provider appointments. You'll make sure that you sort and look for closest to the patient. You'll try to help them find services and in-network contracted providers, those sorts of things. Now, this position does not require a college degree. They do want someone who has 2 years of call center customer service or shared services, but call center customer service, just 2 years. Someone who has 2 years experience in a managed care environment or some kind of medical or behavioral health care, someone who can understand plan benefit structure or medical terminology, someone who has strong data entry and telephone skills, someone who knows how to work with Microsoft Office, including Word, Excel, Outlook, all the things, someone who's a great listener and has the ability to maintain a flexible schedule. Now, even though this is a part-time job, they list the salary range at $37,000 all the way up to $56,000 a year. So I am not sure if they're going to pay on a salary basis for the part-time. Most part-time jobs are paid on an hourly rate. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.